Y'all, I have a quick channeled song and a channeled message for us. One is for all of us, and one is a little bit more specific. And that is going to be for someone out there or a small group in my collective. But the other morning, I was so touched and so moved, and I woke up with the sweetest song in my head. And I knew it was a channeled song because I hadn't heard it in a really long time, and I am hyper aware of synchronicity. It is absolutely a part of my daily life all day long. My mind just stays blown. And particularly when it comes to music, I get a lot of synchronicity through music. And so I'm always paying attention anytime I'm in the grocery store or in a restaurant. I mean, they pretty much play music everywhere, and the universe is always speaking to me that way. But that's how I knew it was a channeled song, because I'm just so aware, and I knew I hadn't heard it in a really long time. And y'all, I'm not even joking. I hadn't even open my eyes yet. I mean, I was just barely waking up when this song came over me and started playing in my head, and it touched me so much and it just really moved me. It was so sweet that I actually got a little bit emotional and started crying. But I knew immediately that I was meant to share it, that I wasn't the only one who needed it. And so it was that Whitney Houston song, I Will Always Love You. I mean, how sweet is that? Like, just even before opening my eyes. And again, I knew that it was meant for all of us, that I was absolutely meant to share that for all of us. But I got a more specific channeled song and message a little bit later on, because I went to the grocery store that same night, and right when I walked in, I heard another Whitney Houston song. And so I knew it was the universe wanting to get my attention, and that it was meant to go with the first one, just to be a little bit more specific for, again, just someone out there or a smaller group in my collective. But it was that Whitney Houston song, It's Not Right, But It's Okay, I'm Gonna Make It Anyway. Pack your bags up and leave. Don't you dare come running back to me. But so I don't know who needs to hear this, but Source is madly in love with you. And I don't know your situation, but it might be time for you to leave. And I don't know if this is referring to, maybe some of you, it might be referring to, a limiting belief system, something, a person, place, or thing, that just doesn't serve you anymore. It can be a job, it can be anything. But maybe it's even time for you to literally pack your bags and leave and go be at peace. And you are safe, and Source has your back. That was just what I kept getting when I heard that song. And again, I was just so moved. So I was like, all right, I got to make this video. It is still on my heart. Source is madly in love with all of us. That is first and foremost. But second of all, for whoever needs to hear this, it's time to go. It is safe to go, and you're going to be okay. And Source has your back. So that's all. And I just love y'all so much. Truly, like, I adore y'all too. And I am so, so grateful. And I am just wishing you the best, most blissed out day ever. And I will see y'all in the next one.